breaking news. We have a mass murderer on the loose. So make sure to keep your windows and doors locked all the time, and make sure to have a gun on you or any kind of weapon. So, just keep safe, okay guys? Wait. I can't. Yo, dude, did you see that mass murderer? Yeah. Yeah, it was, I don't know what to do now, cause,
Yeah, me too. I mean, I do have a gun.
yeah, keep that gun, just in case. What? He's
Oh,
here!
no,
He's here! Ah! Ah! Yo, man, that news was crazy, right?
Yeah, no, I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we should probably get some food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta investigate that. But
Wait,
we can't investigate on an empty
what's that
stomach.
convenient meat place bean burritos? Do you see it? Do you see one?
Yeah, we should probably not eat those. Let's just actually get food.
Yeah.
Man,
dude.
we finally get to eat after all day.
Yeah, dude. If I didn't get any food for like 2 more minutes, when my stomach would explode of hungriness.
Yeah, if we would have ate those burritos back there, we would have gotten diarrhea.
Hello guys, may I take your order?
Yeah, can we have 2 bean burritos?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. I'll be right back.
Can I also have one of those? No, dude. No, it's just taking so long, dude.
Yeah, it's taking a while.
Yeah, dude.
Man, I'm just starving.
Dude,
I mean, at least we'll get food soon.
I think
Okay,
those
guys,
bean burritos
I got
would
your
be so
bean
tasty.
burritos right here.
Yes.
Do you want to know something though?
What?
You guys are really stupid.
Wait, what? No. What are you doing to my friend? What are you doing to my friend? No. My burrito is my last food. Oh.
Spammy stuff.
I can't do anything about this. I just need to start streaming and tell my chat. Like, I can't keep this going. Yo. Oh my god, there's already like 100 of you watching. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm going through something hard right now. All my friends are dying by this massive serial killer. I think you've heard of him. So, I'm just scared that I might be next. Wait. No! Don't shoot me! No! Man, That murder is too much.
Yo,
He's killed
Black-
family, friends. He's killed everybody that we know. We
Yeah,
need
no.
to get revenge. We need to put him to sleep instead
Yeah,
of
but
putting our friends to sleep.
I'm so tired.
So,
I'm so tired. I
be
just wanna-
prepared, Tiger. Be prepared, murderer. We're gonna come for you. For them all.
Yeah, no.
Right. Get
Let
this
me
out just in
check
case.
down get. Oh my god.
Ah! He's here! He's here! Punch him! Die! 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 Guys, I'm gonna blow this place up! We gotta go! We gotta go! Ah! Get out! Go! Go! Go!
Alone at the edge of a universe humming a tune. For merely dreaming we were snow. A siren sounds like the goddess who promises endless apologies of paradise. And only she can make it right. So things are different